Warning, there's extremely loud noise in this video.
We got crazy strong winds here. Gusts up to 65 miles per hour, winds stopping at 30 to 40 miles per hour. What's the wind speed at? What's the wind speed at? Freeze, you guys. Just over here. Whoa. Wind speed report. What's the wind speed? Ten-4.
Snow 5 to 9 inches.
That is crazy.
How is it doing over there?
It's doing good. I'm just recording, and I'm on top of our hill behind our house.
That's weird.
What is it?
Winter storm warning, 40% snow and rain.
Ten-4. The word for that storm. Woo.
Over, do you copy?
10-4, I copy. There's just strong winds. It's hard to hear, I know.
Over.
Oh. Oh. Holy God, dang. Crazy strong. Let's go again. Let's see here. Where can the camera go? I have my phone standing in the car.
Wind speed's about 60 miles per hour, 16 miles per hour, falling to around 33 degrees in the afternoon. Southwest wind, 60 miles per hour, 100% snow, of 5 to 9 inches. High near 35 temperatures.
10-4.
The lowest it could get is to 12.
Crazy. So you guys, we got a blizzard coming and it's gonna last about 3 weeks here. We're gonna see if we could hopefully chase it. We're supposed to get, well, if you couldn't hear Tucker on the radio, 6 to 9 inches of snow. Woo! Woo! How many inches of snow? Ooh. I'm getting my camera set up. Woo! Oh. Wind's picking up. Here we go. Camera set up. Camera steady. Okay. Let's look. sorry, I might not be able to answer. I'm just putting my jacket on.
Over, don't come in. Just go in the van.
10-4. So you guys, we got crazy strong winds. I just have to chase after my jacket. We will.
We got blue and green. Lots of it.
Where is it at? Pretty much all over the United States. Check Idaho. There might be a storm in Idaho heading towards us.
Okay, I see that.
Yeah, guys, it's connecting to another storm. 10-4, over. I see people walking dogs out here. How are they walking dogs? Huge gust, almost knocked me over. Winds are probably steady at like 40 miles per hour. Oh shoot.
We have lots of people.
10-4, we got flying debris.
Over, we missed them, but we got one. We got a big one over us.
10-4, over.
They're crazy. I'm gonna go grab my camera. Okay, where is your camera?
10-4 in the van. Got the camera recording and we're going. So we got crazy strong winds here. We got debris and crazy blizzards moving over to us. The wind today.
Don't break a leg out there.
Let's hope not. We got this side of wind that's coming with this blizzard that's on its way right now. We're gonna get rain, hail, and snow. Oh. Oh. Be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. We got crazy winds still. Strong winds. Oh.
Towards
got a break. Hope it's picking up still. Oh. Be right back. Okay, keep me an update on where the strongest wind is. Where do you want to split up to? You check over there, I'll check over here. Go! 10-4! Woo! Oh!
We have humongous storms over here.
10-4, are they dark?
The farthest is dark, the closest is gray.
10-4, warning for a big gust coming. I could see it coming.
Oh, look, get back.
To the van? So you guys, he just said to go back to the van. Here he is coming. Oh! Okay, are they coming our way? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go check it out.
Roger that. You weren't kidding, they're coming.
Over there. You missed the big ones, dude. My jacket blew away twice. Whew.
Maybe you should zip it up.
Whew. Here it is. It's coming down. We got like a minute break right now. I mean, the trees look like they're bringing something.
Hey, switch spots.
Okay. Hey, Tucker, check up the hill. Don't slip. You got him checking up the hill. Crazy. Whoa. Oh.
Storm over us.
10-4, I can see the storm you're talking about. It looks like it's over Salt Lake right now. You guys, gusts are picking up over here.
Super windy over here. I'm heading back.
10-4, looks like we got a break from the wind down here. You guys, it's just silence now.
Coming to you.
10-4, we got nothing down here. Dude,
The hill is windy as it's ever been.
dude, we had
It's like the thorns are blowing off into me.
yeah, I told you, we got debris, we got rocks flying. Dude, the van almost tipped over. Definitely probably might have had like some rotation over us. We do got signs of it. Big gust.
Get back. Let's go.
Woo-hoo! Into the car, into the car. We got shot! Dude, there was like a dust devil in here. Everything's destroyed.
I have never seen this much debris and everything, this wind speed in my life. Even though I'm only 7.5.
Dude, look at the winds. They're picking up like crazy. You guys, I'm going to stop the video real quick, but we will not stop this.
Yep.
I'm just seem like they're getting pretty strong right here. guys with me. Tucker lost his hat. You good? Seems like the wind's pretty good down there. Up here. 10-4. Okay. No. It is crazy, you guys. I've never gotten wind this strong here. Oh. Dude. Tomorrow. I have a poll on my channel, which this video is on my channel, and it asks what stuff you like most. Now, if you want to vote for what we should chase next, vote for that, okay?
And we're planning on doing something more different. But since this storm,
Look at that, they're working.
Since the storm, we probably will.
Oh, you just caught your hat, dude. Go, we got strong winds. Woo! Oh.
Soon, I feel like it's instead of raining cats and dogs, snowing cats and dogs.
10-4. Dude. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I got these walkies. Okay. Oh. Walkie-talkie's off for right now.
Yep.
Heading over, we got crazy strong winds. Okay. We're on. Woo! Ah, dude.
Well, you okay?
It's wobbling. We got.
Like and subscribe on this video. Curtis, your coat!
Okay, guys. Let's see. Hit me out! I got thorns in my coat. Hit me a hat.
Not surprised.
I want my cat one. Right there. How do you go?
I mean, why not freaking out of here? I'm in shorts and a t-shirt.
You're in shorts and a t-shirt every day. Okay. The wind has calmed down. We do not have very strong winds right now, but speaking of, they call the walkie and a talkie. Are we gonna split up? Let's not split up. We don't got much room to split up at.
Oh.
What do you think? Should we split?
You stay right here. I'll go down.
10-4. I got a spare. I'm gonna go out and watch this from right here. You guys will hear our walkie-talkie talking because I got a walkie-talkie by the camera. Woo, it's definitely picking up like crazy. Look right above our house. It looks like we got a sign of rotation. guys, we got a funnel.
Over, I'm after my heart.
Yeah? Woo! Okay, you guys, we lost a little bit of signal there, but we're back, and, well, Tucker went back inside to go watch the radar for us. I am watching this, and the wind just picked up crazy. Our car almost tipped over. Now, Tucker is watching wind speed and direction.
I couldn't hear you.
What's the temperature? Tucker, do you hear me? Are you there?
Yep. I just didn't respond for 1 sec on the walkie-talkie on accident.
10-4. Could you tell me the temperature right now?
Degrees.
10-4 and the wind speed? 30 degrees, you guys.
50 miles per hour. And there's also a
Did you hear that, you guys? 50 miles per hour. That is like unbelievable.
Someone, do you hear me?
10-4, I just forgot to respond.
We have very dark purple.
10-4, is there any blackish looking stuff?
Over, no, we just have, actually we do have tiny pieces of them.
10-4, black means tornado.
I thought you said black means debris.
Yeah, I know, debris means there's a tornado, or the wind is just super strong. Over.
We have light orange and dark orange.
That means thunderstorm.
Well, the dark things are gone.
10-4, that means they lifted up, but the black things could also mean, since we don't have any tornadoes right now, it could also mean debris flying in the air.
Sorry, you are breaking up really bad.
10-4. We got no tornadoes, but we do got a sign of debris out here.
Over, I know that.
There's a funnel dropping above our neighborhood. Right there. It's wearing out. Looks like it's curving up again. Sorry guys, I need to grab my jacket. This is super freezing.
We only have a winter storm warning.
Watch your warning.
Warning.
10-4, that means it's about here. Dang, I should have packed an extra jacket. or gusting at 20. There's that.
Wind around.
Sorry, say that again. We got a big gust. Are you there? I'm going to chase this storm right now.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
10-4 over. We got some static because of the radio towers falling down, probably. Nah.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
I said we're losing our connection because of how high the wind is.
Over.
Winds calmed down, but there is a couple signs of a big gust coming, according to my bare eye looking over south.
Report. Areas of blowing snow and a chance of snow cloudy. Hanging near 30 with temperatures falling around to 26 in the afternoon. Northwest wind around 28 miles per hour with a gust as high as 38 miles per hour.
10-4. Okay, so we got gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Winds staying at about 40 to 50 miles per hour, maybe lower. Whew. You guys, this is coming right before a blizzard. Leave a comment down below whether you think we should chase the blizzard or not. Yeah. Okay. So, I think this might be it, but I will keep recording if the storm continues. I'm going to check the weather right now myself, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, you guys, wind gust has gotten way over expected. I'll even point the camera to the ground so you can see any debris flying. But Tucker's still on the radar. He might come out soon. I am going to go check this.
Copy, Tucker. I need you to come in. I lost Utah. Or our wagon just blew away. What? Not exactly blown away, but it blew. The wind blew it, so it rolled over a bunch. Correct? I need you to come in because I need your help to find Utah.
I'll be right back, you guys. I'll keep the camera going so you can watch this. But yeah, I'll be right back and I'll hurry as quick as I can. 10-4, I'm coming.
And by the way, I did click on Cedar City. 10-4, what are they? First, winter weather advisory. Second, high wind warning. Third, winter storm warning. Fourth, high wind warning. Fifth, winter storm warning. Winds are gusting at like 6 miles per hour.
Okay, you guys, so this has gotten pretty bad. We will be back to chase the blizzard. But
Over, I think I know why Dad left.
okay, so you guys, this will be the end of the video. We'll make a short and stuff when it comes back, and I'll see you guys later.